Hi, join us today as we take a short bus ride to take a look at some fascinating handmade Japanese shoes. This is just about a 10-minute bus ride from Hakata. So this shoe company is actually called Moonstar, and the flagship store that we're going to visit is called also Moonstar. So the thing that sets Moonstar apart from the other shoe makers is their process called Ka-Ryu. In Japanese it means their vulcanization. So this process is their signature handcrafted vulcanization process involving baking fully assembled shoes in a 120 degrees centigrade kiln for 70 long minutes. So this extensive heat causes the raw rubber and sulphur to bond, resulting in an incredibly flexible and durable unified shoe. So this is Moonstar's sub-brand, shoes like Pottery. So these are the shoes that I bought. These are in the grey color. It's got its famous seal on one side of the shoe, and that's the blue sole. And this is, of course, each shoe has got its brand name inside. Shoes like Pottery, made in Japan. And the canvas is actually a very good thickness. It's neither too thin nor too thick, and it's very comfortable. I wore them for something like almost a whole day. Did something like about 8,000 steps. When I got back in the evening, no problem at all. Very comfortable. So hope you find the video useful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.